Okay, question 27 is the same thing as we've been doing, find x and y. And we're looking at right triangles. So we're solving for x and y using the Pythagorean theorem. We're not using a side ratio because that's the next part. Are they similar? So first let's find the side length. So C is the hypotenuse. It's the one across from the right angle. A and B are the legs. And so I'm going to start with this one. 24 squared plus x squared equals 74 squared. To solve for x, I need to subtract 24 squared over here. So I get x squared equals, and I'm going to use my calculator here, 74 squared minus 24 squared, which is 4,900. And then my next step is to take the square root, which is 70, because I need to get rid of the squared here. So x equals 70. Okay, now let's do that again with the second triangle. So Pythagorean theorem, A and B are the legs. So I have 6 squared plus 17.5 squared, and I'm finding y squared. And we don't have to add or subtract because the variable is already by itself. So I have that 342.25. That's y squared, but we just want y. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. And I just always type it like that, but there's the menu down there with all the buttons. Is 18.5. And I erase that because now we need to look at our scale factor, and we're going to the second triangle. So I'm going to put those numbers on top. 18.5 over 74, 17.5 over 70, and 6 over 24. So if those are all equal, then we have a similar triangles scenario. If they're not, then we don't. 0.25, 0.25, and 0.25. So that's our scale factor because they're all the same. Let's see if it'll take the decimal. And then 70 and 18.5. It did.